So yeah, I'm in a parade. This is my first time being in a parade, so definitely got. Oh man, this is about to be nice. Oh man. So I got a passenger. She's gonna be the camera girl today. So I guess we about to get out the car and look at the whole surroundings. So we got to do that real quick. So first things first. So yeah, we out here. We out here in the parade. Your boy ArtOfSpeedd is getting it in. So let's go. First time being in the parade, and I'm escorting these guys. Come on, everybody say what up. So yeah, they was pretty excited. They playing music in the background, but we about to get it in. ArtOfSpeedd is here, about to escort these people through the parade. First time for everything, I guess. Let's go. Well, I'll let you know how it go and everything like that. So. Think about the parade.
I don't know. It was okay. It wasn't better than the last one. But it's
The last one.
Yeah, the Memorial Day parade.
Okay.
That one was better, but yeah, it's okay. I think it was fun though because I was driving this car though, but yeah.
Okay.
Be your first one.
First parade, I thought it was pretty dope. You know, it was kind of, it was tiring on my leg, but my feet, but.
You had to keep going slow.
Yeah, I had to ride the brake, but other than that, I think I broke like a bunch of necks out there in the parade. What you think?
Yeah. A lot of people was like, nice ride.
So yeah, man. I guess, how many parades you been in?
This is my second one.
Second one, so I thought it.
Parade.
So yeah, it was pretty amazing just to be in a parade, yeah. ArtOfSpeedd, you know what I'm saying? Gotta throw it out there again. But ArtOfSpeedd had to be in a parade. You know, they had to call your boy up. I must be nice. but what? You been stepping or
I just stepped for school, but I dance like for stuff on the side and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
How old are you?
12.
12. Dang. Stepping, dancing. What?
I want to do YouTube one day too. I've been making.
She want to be YouTube. She want to be YouTube famous, y'all. YouTube famous. What, in stepping or just
like
in
just
general?
like
in
yeah,
vlogging?
Yeah, like what you do, stuff like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
But shoot, I ain't gonna knock your block. It's pretty. Don't get me wrong.
When did you start YouTube?
Dang. Cause she killing me over here. She saying when. Alright, so I started YouTube a year ago. I got 1,600 subscribers and I get views. I can't say how many views I get, but I get views. I think this is about to be my new best friend. You know what I'm saying? Dang. We was rolling in the parade together. You know what I'm saying? Her hands. She said her hands got cold for holding up this
I was so happy when he said 17.
So, what do you think about the car?
This car is just like, oh my god. I like really like the car. Like, oh.
What did I tell you? This is not my paint.
For real?
No.
Whose is it?
No, this is my car, but it is my car is wrapped.
For real?
Yeah, it's a gloss red.
So what's your paint color?
Gloss red. It's a red, but it's gloss instead of matte.
Oh.
So the car's wrapped.
Oh, I like this. You should keep it
First
like
reaction on the car wrap. She's 12 years old, so hey, you gotta get the subscribers when they're young anyway. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, I subscribe to your channel when I look it up.
And she subscribed to the channel.
And I turn notifications on.
What? That's what I'm talking about right there, man. Oh, no unsubscribe. When you leave, I'm hit down subscribe. But God dang, I done gained like 2 or 3. And now I got 2 or 3. She's trying to be like Ryan. Cause Ryan is, that boy is famous. But
Oh, y'all can go follow me on Instagram at princess.gabby with an X. Don't forget the X. Yeah.
So you already know. Follow my girl at princess.abby with an X. What? Right? Did I say it right? I said it wrong. Oh man. So, but you know, she's a subscriber. We about to subscribe. We about to follow her on Instagram. So we got it on camera. They're pulling out the phone, and she's gonna get a follow from your boy ArtOfSpeedd. Let's go. So go ahead and type it in. She getting a follow from ArtOfSpeedd. Oh, if y'all haven't followed me on Instagram, follow your boy ArtOfSpeedd. One word, the same way you see it on the channel. One word, 2 D's. Go to Instagram, follow your boy. Man. Y'all see that? I followed. That just is. Now we gotta see if she followed me back.
Alright, hold on.
I don't know. People be hitting that unfollow button and the unsubscribe button. I mean, God dang. But it's all good. It's a free country. I think she's following me. I think. So.
Yep. I just followed you back.
Let's see. Did I get that notification? Let me freshen it. She followed me back. Okay. Alright. So, this is it. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Matter of fact, we're going to leave it to her.
Subscribe to his channel. Comment down below. And give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn post notifications on too.
Ooh. I'll talk to y'all later.